Hello guys, welcome to the eShop video. Hello guys, welcome to eShop video. So this video, let us discuss about my watch list. So first of all, if you go to watch list, I will just simply type watch list.php, and you can see it bring me to the my watch list page. Here you can see I have two products added to my watch list. So if I click, and you can see here actually three buttons: buy now, add to cart, and remove. So if I click remove, you can see it's iPhone 14 Pro, not the appropriate picture here. So doesn't matter. If I click remove, it's iPhone 14 Pro. Yeah, you see that the product is gone, and the product is no longer in the watch list. So if I refresh this page, you can see it is completely not here. So if I remove this product again, you can see it came back to this start shopping. You don't have no item in your watch list. So that's it guys. So let's see how I how I program the backend using PHP. So this is simply my watchlist.php file. So here you can see that whenever I click the remove button, remove from watchlist function has been called on click, and I have passed ID of the product. It mean the watch data mean if you press Ctrl click, you can see this for watch data. It's mean the watch data is fetching database results from watchlist table. So simply we are getting the ID of the product that we are clicking. So you can see remove from watchlist has been function has been triggered here. And if you go to JavaScript and let's find remove from watchlist. Yeah, you can see remove from watchlist here. So the functionality is pretty simple guys. First of all, I have my function of watchlist remove from watchlist ID, and I have the ID as the parenthesis because I'm sending the ID of the product here from here. So I'm catching that here, and so I have my XML HTTP request, and yeah, there's no form or anything because this is using the get method. So open get and remove watchlist from remove watchlist process.php. Now concatenate that ID we are getting from the ID here, concatenate that ID as the value key of ID, and I'm sending it using Ajax, so it is true. And finally I have sent it. Meanwhile r dot on register change I have equal to a empty anonymous function, and I'm checking that if the response is equal to 4, it means that if response is successfully complete, I'm getting my response text as t, and if t is equal to success, I'm going to reload the current page, and otherwise it's going to alert t whether there is anything wrong. So let's go to this page, remove watchlist process. So let's find that here, remove watchlist process. So yeah, you can see this is it. So here I have my database connection to my database, so I require my connection.php, and I'm checking that the ID getting from the JavaScript side, this ID. You can see this ID. I'm checking that if it is set, I'm going to make that a variable watch ID, and set that ID here. And simply I have the query for watchlist database watchlist table in the database. So I have fetching assoc fetching rows from that query. So if the watchlist now watch num equal to 0, it means if there is nothing in the database, we are going to echo something went wrong, please try again later, because there is nothing in the watchlist table. And if it is not the case, else, so database IOD insert into recent, we're going to insert that into a new table called recent, and product ID and use email, the two columns, and the values is going to be the watch data product ID. It means the product ID getting from the watch data watch table, watch list table actually, and watch data is the username. So and whenever that finish, I'm going to delete the data, delete the delete from the watch data watch list table, where the ID is equal to watch ID. Watch ID mean the ID we are getting from the JavaScript side. So otherwise, please select a product will be displayed. So you can see we have echo success here. So that echo, we are checking that if the echo is success, the window is going to be reloaded. So that's pretty much it, guys. So hope you understand that. So thank you.